Hey guys, wanna know how to use sky replacer in your images by using BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, go to your BeFunky official website or your application. Make sure you are logged in as well. Now, on the dashboard, you can see photo editor. Click on it. Now import any photos by clicking on open and then select any of them that you like. Now once you've imported an image, and on the remove and replace, there should be sky replacer. Simply click on it. Now once your photo's sky has been selected, you can adjust selection, change sky, maybe change its color, just like that. And here you can see the image has been changed, and various other options such as edit sky, edit its luminosity, contrast, saturation, and so on. And that's it, simple as that. Once you're done, just simply click apply right here. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.